part of SEO is actually knowing what keywords to rank for. Let's show you a tool, which is the SV SEO Manager, that you can use for your business or brand to actually help identify the keywords that you may want to target when writing content. So one thing to think about is SEO has kind of evolved from search engine optimization to search everywhere optimization. So you want to make sure you know basically the keywords that you want to rank for and that you should be targeting inside of your content, no matter what platform you're posting on. Using the SV SEO tool, which as you can see, it's got loaded with a bunch of features from backlinks to keywords to Google Review Manager, Google Business Profile Manager. It's got SEO engine actions. It can show you all your analytics and data and much more. So using a tool just like the SV SEO Manager, you are able to find and identify those keywords that you should be writing content for. Now, let's go and dive into the SV SEO Manager a little bit more. Using the platform, you're actually able to do much more. So let's say you do get a Google Business Review. Using the SV SEO Manager, you're able to actually jump into that and actually respond to all the reviews. So it's no longer a hassle to where you have to get an email from Google and then you have to log into Google on your phone and then you have to go to this section, etc. You can actually do it all right within the Socialverse platform. So inside of the SV SEO Manager backend, you can go to the Google Business Profile Review section and you can find your latest reviews that you can actually go in and type out your response. So anything that you would want to respond to or any reviews that you would want to respond to, you can actually go do that right within the Socialverse software. So once again, it's kind of like adding a one dashboard to manage all of your online kind of keywords, your rankings, your digital business profile, because that's what you're doing with SEO. SEO is just building your brand and publishing content anywhere you can physically or you are able to go and publish a piece of content for your business on that platform or listing or news or whatever it is. And you want it to link back to some sort of main system, which is typically your website. But once again, inside of the SEO Manager here, you can come in and manage your full Google business profile. You can upload new photos. You can add FAQ questions. You can edit your Google business profile right from within the back end of the Socialverse software. You can also see your local actions. So a lot of things with improving your SEO is figuring out and using those keywords and looking at all of the data. Well, our software actually takes that and gives you actions to take. So it basically does all the hard work and the upfront work for you and basically tells you what you need to do. And then the big thing is, once again, knowing what keywords you're trying to rank for when you're trying to build your business online. So this is where our software comes in play. It's able to help you find those keywords, and you can see the search volume. You can see how difficult it could be. You can even add competitors. So you can essentially go against your competitors' websites and see what keywords they're ranking for. So you can either try to rank for the same ones to take business away from them, or you could try to rank for the low-hanging fruit keyword phrases in search. And basically what you're trying to do with that is find the keywords that are going to be easier to rank for that no one else is trying to rank for. So that's where you can go into Socialverse and find all of those keywords and also see how difficult it may be to rank for them. After you find those keywords, you can actually now take those keywords and map them to pages on your website. So now you're going to be able to say, hey, this page on my website is specifically trying to rank for this keyword phrase. So you're able to come in here and map out your entire keyword kind of map and sitemap for your keywords and what pages they relate to. So that's a big thing. And then the next thing in Socialverse SEO Manager, you can actually come in and create content around your keywords using our built-in AI. So all you have to do is go inside of the SV SEO Manager, go to the content section, and then add your keyword. What you're going to do is select a keyword, and then it's going to search the algorithms and find the best article topics that you could write around that keyword phrase. And once you find a certain article topic, you're able to actually come in and click and start our content wizard. What our content wizard inside of the SV SEO Manager is basically our AI content generator, where it's going to allow you to write an article based on that topic. Now, obviously, we all know that when you are actually writing articles using AI, you want to think about actually taking it and then making it more personal, adding to it, and write it in your own eyes, because that's making it better for the actual end user and search, and you don't only want to rely on basically AI generated. So keep that in mind. Once you generate topics, you can actually grab the link and submit it back to that article to link it together, and basically the platform is now going to link that in and use that as new data. And once again, you can also come in the software and look at all of your competitors. So right within the SV SEO Manager backend, you're able to pull up the competitors section where you're able to add different competitors and see what keywords they're ranking for, what positions they're ranking for, what backlinks they may have, and overall the historic data around your competitors and how they're compared to you on your SEO presence. So once again, when we're trying to do SEO, we're all just trying to look at all of the data. We want to look at as much data as where people are coming from, what they're searching for, how they're finding us, and we want to take that and then we want to create content around that. And the biggest thing inside of the SV SEO Manager is our engine actions task. So what the software does, and the main benefit behind the software is it gives you tasks that you should go and take on your website to start improving your SEO presence. And it tells you what you need to do, while it's important, and actually how to do it. So the software does all of the hard work up front for you, where it literally gives you the tasks that you need to do, how to do it, and then once you do it, you can actually submit it back to the platform and it will complete it, and it will give you new tasks that you can actually go and start creating for your business to start getting the better rankings for SEO. Because once again, when you're trying to rank for SEO, all you're trying to do is get people to search for whatever phrase they want or keywords and find your business. Doesn't matter what website or platform it is. All you want to do is make sure your brand is optimized for your keywords and keyword phrases that people may be searching for. So that's just kind of like what the SV SEO Manager will help you do and build that strategy. So the SV SEO Manager is not the only tool that you could obviously use to do this. There are millions of other tools, and you could do this straight with Google Search Console directly. So there are a million tools out there to use, but what it is actually going out and doing it and making sure you have the knowledge. If you need SEO knowledge, we do have an SEO Academy and offer full support to educate you and help guide you through building your brand and getting better SEO rankings. So if you have any questions, just let us know in the comments. Also, you can check out our help center at socialverse.com/help center, and you make sure to check the description to find the link to the SV SEO Manager.